You can see here that we are getting started by taking a few mounds of Parmesan cheese and placing it right on top of our parchment paper. I have some delicious sliced white onions that I'm gonna start to place right on top. So the onion ring is just gonna sit so nicely on top of that Parmesan cheese, and we're whipping together a little 2-ingredient snack because I'm getting hungry over here, you guys. Oh, it's that time between breakfast and lunch, right? Now we're gonna come back in with that Parmesan cheese. We're just gonna place another layer right on top of these onions, just like so. Now, obviously, you know when that melts, the Parmesan cheese is gonna melt. It's gonna fall right onto the onion, and in all of those creases, it's gonna be juicy. Ooh, the onion's gonna start to bake, and the Parmesan cheese is gonna start to get a little bit crispy, and you guys are just gonna love this. If you know me, then you know that I am a fan of onions and cheese. I mean, please, onions and cheese, please. That's all I need. All right, you guys, this is all we're doing so far. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll let you know if it takes any longer, and stick around because you're gonna love these little delicious bite-sized snacks. Our onions are almost done, and I'm going to make my favorite dipping sauce, starting with a tablespoon of horseradish. Now, of course, here I have the extra hot. You don't need that, but if you don't want it to be as spicy, just use less. Then we're gonna take some sour cream, and we are just gonna add that right in with that horseradish mixture. Something about the cheese with the onion and the horseradish with the sour cream, you guys, is absolutely to die for. So you'll just mix this all up till all those flavors are combined, you guys. Set it in the fridge so those flavors can marinate together, and then bon appetit. Wow, check out those cheesy onions. Oh my gosh, they look like they are done absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and grab these off the plate, and we'll slide them right over here. Ooh, because we have that delicious sour cream horseradish sauce that we made. Oh, I am hungry. Look at how good those look. You guys, 2 ingredients, 2. Parmesan cheese and onions. I mean, can you really go wrong? Okay, I wanna get this really cheesy one right here. Look at how that cheese has just went into that onion. The back, oh, crispy, caramelized. I'm gonna dunk it right in there. Get all of that good stuff. All of that good stuff right there. I don't know. These are just the best. The best. I can eat these every day. You can tell that the onion is just cooked perfectly. Just cut it. Thin slice. You don't have to be too crazy about it, but oh, it's hot. Wow. This is so good. So good. I want to know if you guys have tried this snack yet. If you would try this snack, if you have these ingredients in your fridge, are you down with the horseradish sour cream sauce? Is there something else you would use? Tell me all about it. I want to hear the twist. I think it's perfect the way it is, but I'm open. I'm open for other good thoughts. See you guys later, and I hope you enjoy. Yummy.